Yo, what's up? Welcome to my channel, Reaction TV Official mga kapatid. For every reaction, there is a reaction mga kapatid. So, bisitahin naman natin yung channel ni Chilling Scares mga kapatid. So, itong video na ito is upload niya 2 days ago mga kapatid. Ano? So, ang title ng kanyang video is 6 most disturbing things caught on the tracker dashcam footage. Oh my God, ano kaya ito mga ito? Kakaibang mga nilalang sa mga kalsada na nakuha na ng dashcam ano sa mga tracker. So sigurado tracker ito, maraming nakuha na kakaiba to kasi yung tracker nasa nasa kalagitnaan ng daan. Saludo ako sa mga tracker mga kapatid. Napakahirap ng trabaho nila dito mga kapatid. Hindi kagaya yan sa Pilipinas na ang mga tracker may mga pahinante. Dito wala, ikaw lang mag-isa. Pag bibiyahe ka ng Amerika, ikaw lang mag-isa. Wala kang kasama. Sarili mo lang. Kaya napakadelikado. Kung may problema sa sasakyan mo, yari ka na. Kailangan chill ka lang. Kaya lang marunong ka dumiskarte. So yun, puntahan natin yung ito. Yan, nakuha na ng dashcam. Tingnan mo yung tsura nila. Ano kaya yung mga yan? Umpisa pa lang, natatakot na ako . Let's go! Tirahin na natin to bago pa tirahin ni Aling Marites. Chilling Scares! Let's go! Pasok! Ooh. Most disturbing things caught on tracker dashcam footage. Oh wow. Nakaiba ito.
In February of 2015, this pair of truck drivers was driving down the highway when a white truck quickly sped up to them.
Oh.
It got in front of them and slowed down, forcing them to stop their truck altogether. They thought the man inside was trying to tell them something, like their brake lights weren't working or something, so they pulled to the side of the road. But once they stopped, no one got out of the white truck. It circled the 2 truckers and stopped right next to them, even blocking oncoming traffic at times. The person inside could now clearly be seen, but he just sits there, staring at them. They worried the man had a gun, and so they decided to drive away. But this causes the white pickup to pull right in front of them.
Nakakatakot naman yun. Baka naman hold upper, no? Kukunin yung truck mo, pati ikaw, pababain ka. Ano kaya meron dito sa ano na to? Ano kaya ang plano nito?
Does he think you cut him off or something?
Ano kaya problema nito? Okay, bungguin ko na yan.
Do you see what's his tag? I can't see his tag.
The truck drivers are forced to back up to get around. They try to record the license plate, but it's not entirely visible. After a few seconds of just sitting there, the white pickup backs up to be in line with the truck. The truck drivers take this opportunity to try and drive away. As they drive off, the white pickup rams into their back trailer in what can only be assumed an attempt to get them to stop. But they keep going and eventually lose the white pickup. A bit further down the road, they park and wait for police to arrive.
Grabe, ano?
When they did, they started a search, and after a while found the white pickup on the side of the road a bit further down. They detained the man inside, and after seeing the video, arrested him. Police later determined the man was not in his right mind, and the outcome could have easily been worse than it was.
Really? Wala sa sarili, no yun?
This dashcam footage was taken at 5 in the morning on July 29th, 2016. The truck is in Calais, a city in France that overlooks the narrowest point in the English Channel. It's headed for a port which will take it over the channel to the UK. As it continues on the road, the truck in front of it suddenly brakes, causing the truck with the dashcam to lay on the horn. Shortly after, multiple men with flashlights appear on the road, throwing rocks at the truck, trying to get it to stop. They even use tree branches as makeshift roadblocks.
Oh. Mga umaharang yan sa kalsada. Mga ano yan, nangaharang. Hindi lang pala sa Pilipinas, ano? Meron din pala ganyan dito, no? Hinaharang nila yan, kukunin nila, o parang kukunin nila yung sasakyan mo.
Trucks smashed through the tree branches, not stopping, knowing that if they do, they could be injured or worse.
Yeah.
The men in the video on the side of the road are a gang of migrants trying to be smuggled into the UK by any
Yes.
means possible. They'll set up makeshift roadblocks, throw rocks at the windows of trucks, stand in the road, all in an attempt to get trucks to stop. If they're successful, they'll
So,
use different weapons to
sabi
threaten
niya,
truck
sasakay
drivers
daw
into
sila para
smuggling them
pumasok
over
sa
the
isang
border.
bansa. Eh, ba't
Reports
ganun
of
ang
these
gagawin nila, di
occurrences,
ba?
both successful and
Hindi lang siguro
unsuccessful,
yan.
come in somewhat frequently. Many other dash cams on trucks driving through the same area have captured similar occurrences. This one shows a hijacking attempt
Oh.
with more people involved.
Grabe, oh. Nanga-hijack ng sasakyan itong mga ito. Grabe, ang daming nila, oh. Oh! Holy cow. Ano, sasakay sila, oh.
Typically, these attempts occur between 12 and 6 a.m. Police in Calais have been working to fully eradicate the issue for years. In 2021, Hurricane Ida, an extremely destructive Category 4 hurricane, hit the state of Louisiana. It was the second most powerful hurricane recorded to have done so. It quickly devastated the southernmost port of Louisiana as it moved upwards further into the U.S. The hurricane created multiple tornadoes as it did so. This semi-truck would find itself in the middle of one of them, all of which was caught on its dash cam.
Grabe, ang lakas, oh.
It happened in Horsham, Pennsylvania. The truck stops at a light, but upon turning green, the driver decides to stay put. The winds quickly begin picking up. Visibility continues to worsen as the power lines on the side of the road finally give way. The truck continues to be forcefully pushed around.
Oh,
The
nakakatakot ito.
tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for southeastern Pennsylvania.
Pero itong sasakyan sa harap nila, baka mawawala, eh. Parang nawala na, eh.
In Pennsylvania,
O, tinangay na ng hangin.
Montgomery, and Philadelphia.
Ang lakas, oh.
At 3:15 p.m. Wednesday, the stage was
Hindi,
6.13.
umusad yung sasakyan.
Moderate flooding is forecast.
Umusad siya, pinilit niya, oh.
The river is expected to rise above flood stage light this evening to a crest of 14.8 feet tomorrow morning. Several driveways and other minor roadways are affected.
Grabe, ang
Water
lakas,
begins
oh.
to enter some basements. Impact.
Ang lakas, oh.
High water isolates several houses, resulting in some evacuation.
Oh! Wow! Wow! Grabe, ang lakas,
Winds
ano?
are strong enough to push the truck over. The dash cam falls out of place, revealing the driver still being held in his seat from his seatbelt. Almost immediately after
Grabe
falling
naman
over,
yun.
a man driving a van in front of the truck turned around and went over to help. The truck driver was
Buti hindi siya
assisted out of his
hindi
truck.
binuhat yung
The two
sasakyan,
men
ano?
then ran for cover in a nearby building.
Buti hindi binuhat yung sasakyan, ano? Tsaka nilaglag na gano'n. Grabe, nakakatakot ito. Nakakatakot ito. Buti ganun lang, hindi siya
The truck
binuhat.
driver made it out with only minor injuries.
Minor injuries lang. Buti minor injuries lang.
This dash cam footage was taken in Russia.
Russia
The
naman
driver
ito.
stopped his truck on the side of the road to change out one of his wheels. As he does so, he notices the same vehicle pass by multiple different times.
Oh,
Worried
delikado
whoever
ito.
was inside had bad intentions, the driver walks up the road and finds a steel pipe to defend himself. Shortly after, the car drives by again, but this time stops. 3 bandits were inside. One of them, seen in a tracksuit, walks up to the truck and attempts to extort money from the driver for, quote, crossing their territory. But the driver stays inside his truck and calls for backup from other nearby truckers.
Grabe. Yan ang disadvantage ng mga lone tracker, ano? Yung mga tracker na nasa kalsada na salagang sila lang mag-isa. Yan, nagka-trouble siya. Nagka-trouble yung truck niya, siya lang mag-isa. Tapos ngayon, meron pang ganyan may encounter. So ano mapipil mo, mga kapatid? Di ba nakakatakot yan? Nilapitan na siya ng strangers people. Tapos sinubukan daw kunin yung pera niya pero nasa loob siya ng truck, hindi niya binubuksan. Kailangan may armas ka talaga dyan, eh. May baril ka talaga, eh. Nakakatakot ito. Kumuha siya ng armas, eh. Ayun, kumuha siya ng armas dito sa kalsada eh, oh. Para mapang ano siya eh. Ayun na, oh. Bumaba na siyang mama, oh. Ayun na, oh.
5 minutes later, multiple trucks respond to his call for help. Now with backup, the driver gets out of his truck and confronts the bandits with his steel pipe. Meanwhile, trucks continue to pile in, blocking the bandits from retreating. Now with almost 20 truckers, they flip the bandits' car over.
So, tinulak nila, oh. Loko. Tapang niya, ah.
The car is left to sit upside down on the side of the road as all the truckers begin to leave, having saved one trucker from a potentially life-threatening situation. This dashcam
May
footage was
plano
also
yun.
taken in Russia.
May Russia na
Recorded
naman.
on October 29th, 2013.
2030, so
The truck was
matagal
carrying
na
a
ito.
shipment through the night. The road is
Yan,
pitch
oh.
black, only lit up by the
Nakakatakot
truck's
siya nung
headlights.
ganyang gabi ka. Ikaw lang mag-isa,
All of a
oh.
sudden, a tree falls directly in front of it, only seen when it appears in front of the
Oh.
headlights.
Saan galing yun? Nahulog o tinapon sa kanya? Oh, tangina, oh. Grabe.
The tree falls only feet away from the truck. There's not enough distance to avoid it, forcing the driver into it. He swerves, but avoids overcorrecting more than he should, and therefore doesn't spin out and lose control. This allows the driver to make it out with nothing more than slight damage to the front of the truck. This semi-truck was sitting idly on the side of the road when the dashcam captures a silver car pull up in front of it. The car is put in park and a man gets out. He starts walking up to the truck and, seeing no one inside, walks around to the driver's side door.
Uy.
It was left unlocked. The truck driver was outside, possibly changing a tire or inspecting his back trailer. It's not made entirely clear. The man then rummages through the truck driver's things before making a run for it back to his car, having taken a black bag.
Uy, kinuha
That's when
niya.
the truck driver realizes what's going on and chases after him.
Kinuha niya yung bag. Gusto magnanakaw pala yun. Grabe yun, ah. Yun, oh, hinabol niya. Ayun, nakuha niya na eh. Ay,
For
binalik.
whatever reason, after getting in the passenger side door and beginning to drive off, the car stops and the man throws the bag on the ground. The car then continues to speed off as the trucker reclaims his bag. The license plate was never fully visible in the video, so police couldn't really do anything.
Yun, natapos din. Yun, no? Malupit din yung video na yun, ha, mga kapatid, ano? So, nakakaano yun, ha? Wala akong naano doon, ha? Hindi parang matulala ako na pinapanood na, ano, nakakaano rin, no? So, yun, mga kapatid, hanggang dito na lang, hanggang sa muli. So, see you on the next one. Bye-bye!